And I'm still trying to smile cause I know you're looking down. I know you're proud of me. I know you're looking down on me. I just want you to see that I'm doing my best. I just want you to see that I'm doing my best.
What's up, my queens? This is Vickynicolee and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this gorgeous look using StarCrushedMinerals only eyeshadows. These are the loose eyeshadows that they have, mainly the mattes, but I do have one satin in there. I love how this look came out. I am so excited for taking these pictures. Oh my god. So, without further ado, my StarCrushedMinerals only look. Hello, my queens. I hope you guys are having a great day. My voice is a little off, but we will do with what we got. I am going in currently with StarCrushedMinerals Juicy and the Makeup Shack T12 brush. And then we are going in with StarCrushedMinerals Dusk's Arrival, as well as a Makeup Shack T36 brush. Now, this is a StarCrushedMinerals only eyeshadow video, but I just want to say that this video is not sponsored by StarCrushedMinerals, just to let you know. But I will be going back and forth with Juicy and Dusk's Arrival for a majority of this video because it's just better for the blending process, as well as if you just saw, I did use a Makeup Shack T8 brush to use with Juicy to intensify that yellow. Juicy is more of a yellowish tone. It's the yellow that you see on top that blends in with the brow line that's a little bit more white. The orange is the Dusk. So now I'm going in with Brandy Wine with the Morphe M411 brush. Now this is to deepen in that color, and then we are mixing it and blending it again with the Makeup Shack T36 brush, as well as again the T8 brush. The use of the Makeup Shack T8 brush is just to intensify that juicy on top. And again, going in with the Morphe M411 brush and Brandy Wine StarCrushedMinerals, of course. You want to make sure that you deepen the crease as much as possible to get that 3D effect. Blend, baby, blend. You gotta blend all those harsh lines away. You want it to look like a sunset. Now we are going in with Real Techniques Detailer Brush, and I'm not sure if I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape currently or the LA Girl in Yellow. Oh, it is yellow. LA Girl in Yellow. I see it right there. And I did set it, but I did not show me setting it in the video. But then again, I'm going in with Brandy Wine from StarCrushedMinerals. With a first it was the M411 brush, and now it is currently the M508 brush. I will list all these brushes down below in the description, so do not worry. So I will be going back in with all these brushes to make sure it is blended. Make sure that you have everything just nice and even. And again, cutting that crease as sharp as possible with the detailer brush from Real Techniques. And see, that line is as crisp as you can get it. The crisper the line, the better the... Just saying. Now we are going in with White Lightning and an e.l.f. Professional Concealer brush. This brush has a flat end. It's the smallest brush I have with a flat end. The rest of the brushes that I have are round, have round tips. So I do like to use this, but it does have a lot more fallout because of the fact that the brush is very small. It has nothing really to hold on to, and I press it from the pot straight onto my eye, and that creates fallout. Now we are going in with the blending. I am blending it starting from the white originally, then the yellow. Then the yellow is Juicy. And then I'm going to go in with Dusk's Arrival, which is the orange. Pack that on. And back in with the Juicy, making sure and the White Lightning, making sure I go back and forth with all these to get the blending right with the initial 3 colors, which is Juicy, White Lightning, and Dusk's Arrival. You see how the blending kind of goes in. Now we're using Brandy Wine with the Morphe M411 brush, making sure it deepens it up a little bit more. That's Sunset Beauty, baby. Now we're going in with the M508 Morphe brush. One of the things that I feel is lost in translation when it comes to the beauty community and people who aren't really in the beauty community, there is a lot of blending. If you want your eyeshadow to come out beautiful and perfect, there is a lot of practice and a lot of blending that comes into it, as well as knowing the type of products to use, as well as knowing the type of brushes to use. This is not an easy 1, 2, 3. You really have to love it, and you really have to enjoy it and practice it to be able to get to this level. So it does take a piece of us when people decide to undermine our work and say that what we do isn't art, because trust me, just as much as an artist paints a painting, we paint our face. Now, I forgot to tell you, I did use cinnamon. Right now I'm using cinnamon, which is a brown color, and I am mixing it with Brandy Wine. This is where I made a mistake. I am currently using Dusk's Arrival on my bottom lash using a Makeup Shack T36 brush, but I should have used a T8 brush. The T8 brush is a pencil brush, so it stays on the lash line, rather than the T36 brush is more of a crease brush, so it would have added a lot more shadow at the bottom. So as you see there, I do have to clean it up a little bit more because I saw that the shadows were running. This is the end result. It says StarCrushedMinerals. Only eyeshadows. I will list all the eyeshadows I used down below, as well as their link to the eyeshadows. I love this brand of eyeshadows so much because it's so much easier. I mean, there is more fallout, obviously. These are a loose eyeshadows, so they are going to be a little bit more, there is going to be a little bit more fallout than normal, but I really don't mind the fallout because I do my eyes first either way, so I just wipe it off after. And yeah, this video is not sponsored, by the way, which one day I'm going to post a video of my vision board coming soon, and one day, hopefully, I will be sponsored by them, but today is not the day. But they do see me. They follow me on Twitter, so thank you very much for that. And they are engaging with me, so hopefully I'm trying to speak this into existence, manifest it into existence. That's why I'm doing my vision board, and oh god. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, comment down below. Let's see, let me do a question. What is your favorite brand of eyeshadows? Do you like affordable eyeshadows? Do you like more high-end eyeshadows? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified for my videos. Love you guys. Bye. And subscribe to my channel. You know you want to.